ओ दीने दीने খসিয়া পরিবে রঙ্গিলা দলনের মাটি গুসাইজি কোন রঙ্গে
The Ganges River dolphin is virtually blind. Three of the world's four species of freshwater dolphins live in Asia. One of these species, the Ganges River dolphin, lives in the Ganga River in India. Between 4,000 to 5,000 individuals remain mainly in India, Bangladesh, and Nepal. For millions of years, this dolphin, with its distinctive long narrow beak, has swum the waters of Ganga and its tributaries. It navigates and hunts fish by using a sophisticated echolocation system which makes eyesight redundant. Often swimming on its side, its neck at right angles, it grabs in the mud sonar scanning the riverbed for food. But now, the Ganges River dolphin is facing a range of threats from humans that could lead to its extinction. Unfortunately, the dolphin inhabits one of the world's most densely populated environments where its twin efficient and unpolluted water and food either complete or conflict with the needs of human neighbors. The Ganges water quality is declining. Chemical, plant oil, refineries, and other industrial plants on the riverbed daily leak pollution into the Ganga and its tributaries, along with untreated sewage. Pollution has also reduced the number of fish upon which the dolphin preys. Noise from increasing number of large ships, such as oil tankers, interferes severely with its echolocation system. Despite its legal protection, some dolphins are still caught for food, and even more are killed for their oil, which is used by fishermen to attract fish. Dam building has also had a grave impact on the river dolphin because dams block their annual migration and isolate small dolphin populations. The dolphin problem have been known about for quite some time, but attempts to help them have so far been ineffective. For example, the Indian government's initiative to clean up the river has had little impact despite the fact that it would not only benefit the dolphins but also the people. The Ganges River dolphin has been legally protected in India since 1972. Yet, the dolphin population continues to decline by 10% each year. Conservation groups including WWF India, the Whale and Dolphin Conservation Society, and the Indian River Dolphin Committee know that to make protection a reality, the law must be enforced. And the people must be made aware of the river dolphin's predicament. Dolphin monitoring programs, publicity campaigns, public education drives, and an attempt to get government agencies more involved are all part of their strategy to protect the species. But in this poor and crowded part of the world, dolphin conservation rarely gets the proper public attention or government resources it needs. The Ganges River Dolphin Sanctuary in the state of Bihar, the Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary, exists 60 kilometers along Middle Ganges, yet until recently the sanctuary existed only on papers with no government presence checking to see that the dolphins really were being protected. Also, many locals knew nothing about the sanctuary. The Whales and Dolphin Conservation Society WDCS, along with the universities of Patna and Bhagalpur, are now trying to create awareness among the locals and persuade them to stop killing the dolphins. They are also trying to monitor the dolphin population in the region. However, despite all the efforts, the dolphin population continues to decline. Consequently, the Ganges River dolphin's future remains uncertain until both politicians and public takes heed to the conservationists' message.